personal statement is an admission essay that the university's requests for your study abroad applications. But how do you write a personal statement? What is the word limit? Is the content of a personal statement same as that of an SOP? Well, let's find out. Hi everyone, I am Neha Agrawal. I'm the founder of Wise Up Communications, and in this video we are going to talk about in detail how to write a personal statement. By the end of this video, you will know how to include out-of-the-box content for your personal statement. What are the different sections which are present? And finally, what is the step-by-step process to writing one? I will also share some important information regarding university requirements that you should note. So please make sure you watch this video till the very end. And now without further delay, let's get started. The first thing you need to understand is that generally an SOP and a personal statement are different in terms of their content, word limit, and their writing style. An SOP is more academic and it focuses on your professional experiences and your motivation to pursue that program. Whereas a personal statement focuses on your personality and how you will fit into the social and cultural environment of the university. Now, if you wish to know in detail what are the key differences between an SOP and a personal statement, then you can check out my previous video. And now, let's understand what is the content we should include in a personal statement. So before you start writing, check whether the university has given you any essay prompts like describe any challenge or hardships you have faced in pursuing your education, or why did you apply to each of the academic program listed in your application. If an essay prompt is given to you, then you just need to stick to the topic. Otherwise, you can brainstorm the content you want to include in your personal statement to showcase your personality. For example, share a unique story about a teacher or a friend or a hobby or an achievement that you are really proud of. Or you can talk about a challenge or an obstacle or a failure that you faced. How did you overcome it and what was your learning from the process? It's very important to choose the topic carefully so that you can show how that event has shaped your personality and made you the person that you are today. Now that you know the topic that you're going to write on, let's understand what are the different sections which go in a personal statement. So a personal statement has three sections: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. In the introduction, you should talk about the challenge or the obstacle that you have faced, or how you were before the event took place. Then in the body, you should elaborate as to how did you overcome that challenge, that obstacle, and what was your learning from the process. Or you should explain that event in detail and how that event took place. And finally, in conclusion, discuss how that event was important, has shaped your personality, and how you plan to bring that change to the university that you join. Make sure whenever you're sharing the stories, you should incorporate your emotions and feelings into it so that the admissions committee can connect with you and get an insight into who you are. Generally, the word limit of a personal statement is between 500 to 650 words. Now, to write the personal statement, follow these 4 steps. First is brainstorming. Based on all the topic suggestions that I gave you earlier, think of a topic and experience that you would like to write your personal statement on, and then break it down into 3 components: introduction, body, and conclusion. Once you have enough clarity on the topic, we move on to the second step, which is drafting. And here you need to put down that entire story, all your thoughts on the piece of paper. Don't worry about grammar, language, or the word limit right now. Just keep writing. When all the information is on the piece of paper, then you move on to the third stage, which is editing. Now here you look at the entire information. You work on the grammar, language, sentence construction, and you also edit out the content that is not required. Keep repeating this process 2, 3, 4 times until you arrive at a document which you feel is the best version of what you have written. Once you are satisfied with it, you move on to the last step, which is review. Now here, pick 3 people who have a good command over English and ask them to review your essay for you. Based on their suggestions, make the necessary changes. And after that, you will have a personal statement which is ready for submission. Now, if you wish to learn in detail how to write a personal statement, SOPs, LORs, scholarship essays, and receive ton of essay samples from top universities, then you can join me for my study abroad course. Otherwise, if you've already written your personal statement, then you can get it reviewed from me through my study abroad feedback program. As part of this program, I do 2 rounds of reviews for you. The first round of review is on your content, and then the second round, I correct your entire personal statement for you. Work on the grammar, language, sentence construction, polish your entire personal statement and make it ready for submission. To know more about both these programs, the link is in the description and in the pinned comment. And now, if you have any questions regarding personal statements, you can put them down in the comments below and I will answer them for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you have a fantastic career ahead.